Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some of the best iPhone apps that you must have on your iPhone in December 2024. Now we're getting close of course to the end of this year and we have some awesome new apps to share with you guys, and we're starting things off with Hollycool. Now this is a video editing app that offers a ton of tools that allow you to edit your videos, and what's really cool about this app is that it is totally free. So you launch your projects right here, any video that you have on your camera roll, and you will get all the tools you need right here. So it's actually pretty awesome. You will have of course the trim tools right here, you will have your filters, you will have the adjustments here. You can of course adjust the speed, enhance the video, crop the video, add different text or different music, again change the playback speed of the video, and if you want to add like different canvases you can do that from here. So it's actually pretty awesome. It's completed with every like different thing that you can think of when it comes to editing videos. You can add more clips right here, and of course use any of the tools to enhance and actually edit your videos. And once you're done with that, you tap the export button right there. It will process the video and save it under your camera roll. Next up is Control Mark. Now Control Mark is an app for the control center of iOS 18. It allows you to have your bookmarks on your control center. That's actually really cool. So you tap right here on the plus button and you can just paste any URL you have here, enter the name for that URL of course, and then when you go to your control center you can just go ahead and add the control from here. So let's just search for that right here. So that we have Control Mark, we go ahead and add the control from this app, and then go ahead and pick right here whichever website that you have saved, and then you will have it right there saved on your control center, and this now allows you to open your bookmark directly from the control center. Wallpapers 18 is the next app for the video. It is a wallpaper app that offers some amazing wallpapers and some really interesting tools for your device. Now first of all, right here we have like different lock screen widgets that you can set up. So you will have basically like different themes here for your lock screen. You can save the wallpaper here and then go to your lock screen and add the widget from there, and then you will have here sticker on the dynamic island, so you can actually customize the dynamic island of your device. Of course with this app you can save this with the wallpaper and of course the sticker included. It will be pretty cool. And if you go back here, something really interesting here, iOS 18 inspired wallpapers. These are wallpapers that you can use for the home screen of your device, and you can see they are designed to work with iOS 18, and I have one right here from this app. You can see how cool that looks, so you can go ahead and download any of these wallpapers. And of course you will have other things here like dynamic island wallpapers, you will have here the holidays one, you will have AI wallpapers and some iOS 18 wallpapers as well. The next app for the video is called Photoscope, and this is a really useful app as it allows you to easily clean up the library of your iPhone. So we have a ton of photos of course on our iPhones, and a lot of them are similar. What this app does is that it will identify the photos that are similar on your Photos app, and then you can show them right here. So you can choose here which photos you want to pick. So in this case I have two similar photos. I've deleted two of them, actually had three, deleted two of them, and then I have left with only one here that is maybe the best option out of those photos. And just like that you can allow the app to delete the photos that you don't need, that way saving a ton of space on your device. The next app for the video is a keyboard app called Bear AI Keyboard. Now this is a very useful keyboard as it allows to actually even do searches directly from the keyboard. So once you have enabled it, you can enable it by going to your settings under general keyboards. You can add this keyboard, and then once you want to switch to it right here, you will see a ton of different tools. So you can see right here we have the mail. You can add the shortcuts, of course. You will have different phrases that you can choose here to quickly add them with your keyboard. You can see different emojis here. We also have ChatGPT, so you can ask ChatGPT anything you want directly from the keyboard right here, or if you just want to search something, you will have the search button right there. You can type any word to search right there. It will search it on Safari, or you can go ahead and choose here any of the popular websites. So if I want to search, let's say on YouTube or maybe somewhere else, I can just go ahead and tap right there. It will take me directly to that website, and I can quickly go ahead and search from there. Next up is an app called Duel. Now this is a new free app that has recently been released, and it allows you to browse and also ask questions quickly at the same time. So you can see right here we have the home screen. Now what we have here is DuckDuckGo. This is a search engine that this app uses, and you can switch to ask here at any time you want. So you can basically use AI to ask the app anything you want. So you can see how cool that is. You will have here different like histories that you have saved of all the different chats that you have done with the app. And then when you go to search, of course, you will have here like a web browser, which is the usual web browser that you see on iOS, and you can go ahead and from here search anything you want. WebWatch is the next app for the video. It allows you to monitor a website for changes. So you basically add the website right here by tapping the plus button. Tap the plus button and just paste the URL that you have copied right here. Once you have added it, like I have added right here, as you can see, I have Apple added there. It will send you notifications and of course give you a badge on the app's icon whenever there is a change on that website. The next app is a cooking app that allows you to create recipes out of the things you have, or maybe just out of an occasion that you have. The app will do everything for you. It is actually really interesting. So what you will have here is a main button where you can just tap and go ahead and start cooking from here. So you will have different cuisines you can choose from right there. And then once you have chosen something that you want, what you need to do next is just go ahead and add the meal times. Maybe you want dinner or lunch, whichever one you want, you select it right there. And then you can also like choose the occasion, the cooking time, how fast you want to do it. Let's say under 30 minutes here, and then just tap on generate, and based on the input that you have added there, it will create you a custom recipe with every detail, every step you need to take in order to complete that meal. Now what's really cool is that it will also show you the nutrition facts for the food that it shows you, so that's pretty awesome. So we can see right here we have a few different options. We can choose one of them right here and it will show us the details. So it doesn't give you just one recipe, it will give you a few of them, couple, maybe even more, so you can choose from them, and then once you go into one of them, it will give you all the details that you need to know for that recipe. Now again, what's really cool, as I said, is that at the end right here you will have the nutrition facts, everything you need to know regarding that meal. And last but not least is a simple app called Logo Creator. It will generate a logo based on the input that you have here. So just tap on generate logo right there and wait for a few seconds and it should be done. So it's a very easy way to create your own custom logo, whether you want to use it maybe as your profile picture or just use it somewhere on the social media, or maybe on like any like different work that you might have for school or something like that. This app will do that for you. You can see how cool that is, a modern lion logo. It just generated it and you can go ahead and save it from here. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to download any of these apps, make sure to check out the pinned comment. All the links will be there. Again, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.